In this video, I will show you how in just 5 minutes a day you can create the best, unique, creative content, even if you have zero ideas or if you are not creative at all. You will create posts like this one, comic strips, like this one, animated diagrams, and even code snippets, and much more. You will never run out of ideas again, and more importantly, you will become the most creative person on this planet. You will never face a problem publishing content from now on. This will help you grow online, share real value, and grow your brand and business. If you are ready, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. So step number 1 is creating a comic character using ChatGPT. Simply take a picture of yourself or a picture of any character you want to create, and then use a simple prompt like this one, comic style illustration of this person in the image, full body, and generate. Don't worry about the prompts or anything mentioned in the video. I will be sharing everything with you later on. Just focus, understand the idea, and be creative. Let's wait a little bit. So image created, it looks great. Simply download the image and keep it. We will use it later. Now let's move on to step number 2. Download the post template packs from the description below. We'll find 2 links for 2 packs, pack 1 and pack 2. Just go here and download. These are super powerful templates that you can plug any idea into and generate high performing and unique content with AI. Download them, and let's move now to step number 3. Now it's time to unlock your creativity and show you how you can use the creative mix formula to generate unique new ideas by combining unrelated niches together and powered by AI to generate new ideas. So for example, you mix self-help with crypto and you get new ideas. Let's see a real practical example, and I'm sure this will shock you. So what I will do simply is I get a YouTube video like this one here. If you are ambitious but lazy, please watch this video. For example, copy link address. I will grab the link, paste, and download the video transcript. Let's get it. So here we are. I will copy it and then open Claude or ChatGPT, anyone you want, and simply ask it to mix my niche with the video transcript to generate unique content ideas. So my niche is building a digital business with AI automation, and the video transcript, I will paste it here, enter, and now AI will mix these 2 different topics together to generate unique ideas for you. For example, the 2-minute automation revolution, tiny AI wins. So here are ideas, unique ideas, things you never thought about by combining 2 different topics together. And you will see now with step number 4 how this will be super powerful. But before step 4, and if this kind of creativity and content creation excites you, I'm sure you will love what I've published on Skillshare, a full step-by-step course on building AI agents from scratch. Maybe you can turn all this into an AI agent that creates content for you. Not only that, I showed also how to turn this into an online tool on top of WordPress, as I did with Promoter Kit with many tools. So you have a professional online tool on your website powered by AI. You can even sell it online. Skillshare is one of the largest online learning communities out there, with thousands of classes covering almost everything from design, illustration, to marketing, business, freelancing, and even programming and development. There's something for everyone. And the best part, I've partnered with Skillshare, so the first 500 people to use the link in the description below will get 100% free access to all classes on Skillshare, including mine, for 30 days. So what are you waiting for? Go now, join Skillshare, start learning, and shape your future. Thank you, Skillshare, for supporting my audience and supporting my ad-free videos. Okay, let's get back to our work and start crafting our creative content. So what you will do now is open Claude again, or ChatGPT, whatever you prefer, and you are going to create a project. Go to projects here and click on create a new project. Now let's say you want to create posts for LinkedIn. So I will say here LinkedIn post generator, or for example LinkedIn creative. Whatever you want, just give it a name and click create project. Please focus very well. What I'm going to do now is click on this plus icon and add a text to my project. I will call this the LM profile. This is the most important piece or factor to generate unique content based on your own style and thoughts. So in this profile, we are going to add your writing style, your projects, your thoughts, your philosophy, anything you want the AI to know about you. So it can generate based on that. That's very important. So for example, this is my profile. I will copy it. Again, I will leave all these in the description below so you can check and build based on that. So here I'm telling the AI what I create content about, my philosophy, what digital assets I have, like my YouTube channel, my main website. I tell the AI what projects I have built, anything I do online, I share it here, my websites, my courses, everything, even my personality, and click add content. So now we have the first important piece or factor in place. Let's add another piece, which is the templates. You remember in step 2, we downloaded the templates. So I will say here, template pack 1. And simply let's get them from downloads, template, post 1, and paste them here. It's that simple. And add the second one, again, post templates 2, for example, and get them, copy, and paste here. Perfect. So now we have the templates, we have the profile. Now we can share our idea or draft here to generate a full post. But before that, we need to set the instructions and tell the AI to use these to generate our content. So if you open again my project here, you will see I have a simple system prompt. Your task is generate LinkedIn post and use these rules. So suggest visual ideas, use my profile, this is very important, generate hooks, and generate 5 posts, and mix between templates attached and creative templates from your own. So I will copy this system prompt, again, I will paste it here, and save instructions. Now we are ready. The AI is going to use our profile and the templates with the creative idea we are going to feed it to generate unique content. Let's try this out. For example, idea, dedicate 30 minutes a day to learn something new. Look at the magic now. It will ask you some questions to clarify everything before generating. This is also a very important step. You will tell it exactly what you want. So would you like to post to focus specifically on this? For example, you say yes. The second questions. Do you want to promote any of your services? You see, it read these from my profile. So you can even promote your services within your post organically and make the AI do this for you. For example, let's promote simpler LM. No. Okay. Let's see. Now, look at this. It's using the first template. It's not X, it's Y. It is not about finding time to learn AI, it's about making it daily habit. So this is the first post with a visual idea. This is very important to generate the visual in a few seconds now, you will see. This is the second post, another template, real talk template, post number 4, post number 5, and so on. So let's say I picked this post here. I will open again ChatGPT and now I will attach my comic character to generate the first type of posts, and then I will tell it, using my comic character, suggest visuals for this post. So before we generate, we are going to tell ChatGPT to brainstorm some ideas. The first one is a carousel. Let's make it simpler now. Single image option left, overwhelmed. Let's try this one. Single image. Let's generate the single image option. Let's wait a little bit and see the magic. And awesome. You see an awesome comic split image you can attach with your post. So now we have the post and we have the image you can post on your social profiles. Now let's try something else. I want to turn this into a comic strip with 6 scenes. What do you suggest? Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, and Scene 6. Perfect. Let's generate it and let's wait for the new magic. And perfect. We get this comic strip with 6 images. You can always ask ChatGPT to edit something. For example, if you want to fix this one here, you can edit this on Canva, anything. But you got the idea now. We can generate comic strips using our posts too. Perfect. Let's now see how we can generate posts like this one here. Animated diagrams. If you're explaining a topic, this type of images and visuals will be very important to add to your post. Like here, I'm explaining what I call LLM router and simple LLM. So this image gives more value to the reader. So again, I will go back here to Claude. And let's say I want to create an animated visual. I will tell Claude here, I want to create a React component or an animated React component visualizing post number 1. What do you suggest? Let's see what Claude will generate. It built a full application. Let's make things simple. I want something simpler like an animated diagram or so. Let's try something else. And you can see now we have this animation. We can ask Claude to remove this one on top. You got the idea, so you can create animated visuals with React components and simply snap it and add it to your posts. Now, in case you post code snippets and you want to create something like this one, like this code here, you can go here to powerkit.dev and then go to code image generator and simply select your programming language and enter the code snippet you want here. And you will see the preview. You can edit the appearance, the font size, the window, what you want the title, whatever you want, and simply copy or download the image and use it in your post on your social profiles. You see, it's very simple and gives the code vibe to your social posts. If you learned something new today, don't forget to smash the like button and see you in the upcoming videos.